Before you start spending money, if you're earning, make a habit of putting 10% of your paycheck aside. You can set monthly contribution into your tax-free savings account or your RRSPs. You should also track your spending, where you're spending. क्योंकि आजकल मेरे अपने बच्चे भी guilty as charged. बाहर जाते हैं Starbucks $5, फिर चिपोटले जाएंगे $15. In one day we can easily spend $25 to $30 and have no idea कि हम $25 अगर वो सेव कर लेते हैं महीने के, how much it could grow in, let's say, 10 years, 5 years, right? So if you're a little bit conscious of where we are spending, and if we put, instead of spending, $5 on coffee, if we made that coffee at home, or हम थोड़ा सा mindful about छोटी habits, if we can change that, I think it can really help. Also, setting up regular savings plan, I cannot tell you how much it helps.
Okay.
When I started working for RBC, from get-go, I started putting 10% of my paycheck away. And, eventually your income increases and that savings 10% still stays there, and you'll be pleasantly surprised how it helps you in the long run. Also, don't be scared to book appointments. Go into the bank, ask questions. This is how much my T4 was. If I would have put money this much into RSPs, what would my refund be? People can help you. They are there to give you advice. Book appointment, go in, and set clear goals. मेरा जब भी कोई client आता है, if I ask them, what is your short-term and long-term goals? For a minute, they
सोचने
लग जाते हैं कि एक्चुअली मेरा है क्या गोल. तो फिर मैं जैसे यंग अगर कोई आए तो मैं उससे कहती हूँ, your long-term goal should be buying a house.
Yes.
And a very long-term goal should be your retirement. But they don't even think about retirement when they are in their 20s. So, but if you start early, you can start from small, like, $25 a महीना. या अगर आपको घर खरीदना है तो मुझे घर खरीदना होगा 5 साल में. वो घर, let's say apartment 700,000 का है वैंकूवर में, तो उसके लिए मुझे अगर 100,000 डाउन पेमेंट सेव करनी है तो मैं आज कितने पैसे I should put aside. तो अगर वो आपके पास गोल होगा, achieving that goal will be much easier. We definitely, parents can help you with but if you are saving for your own down payment, there is a different level of dignity with that.